So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, you guys know the drill. Subscribe. I'm just gonna give you 5 seconds to subscribe, and if after 5 seconds you're not subscribed already, that means you're not interested in this video. Okay, so 5 4 3 2 1 0. So if you're not subscribed right now, I don't know what you're just still doing on this channel. But yeah, so I'm going to be showing you guys top 5 styles, ways or styles to style, top 5 ways to style your crochet wig. And this crochet wig is courtesy of Savvy Traces Hair, Allthingssavvy on Instagram. So if you want to purchase like crochet coils, feel free to go check them out. And if you want to see how I made this crochet wig, click the card up here or check the description box for a link to that video. So I haven't worn it since I made it because I was going to work and I wasn't really sure of how it was. I just feel like it's too full. I wish it was fuller around the roadside, but that's fine anyways. So make sure you watch that video before you do any crochet course, because I learned a very hard way. So I'm just going to look for the fuller part, which is this area. So this fuller part will be my front. I'm just going to put it on my forehead. Second way is basically like this, and this is what I literally do on all my wigs, even when I'm putting on braids. So I like to move it to one side, and then this side will be here, and then I kind of like roll it like this. You can see that this stuff tangles, but like you just pin it to the back of your head. You can move it like this. You can move this, you know, to the back. Yeah, I really like this style because the focus is now on your face. Because another way you can style this is to, for example, say you did like because if you look under, I actually braided my hair. You can do this, you can do this, or you can just like pack your hair, loosen it and pack it. But because I've been wearing wig and I'm still probably going to be wearing wig, I don't want to loosen this contours. So you can do contours or just use your regular hair, move it to the back, and then put the wig cap by the center like this. And because it's elastic, it's gonna stay well. But for extra security, you can use bobby pins to just pin it down. And yeah, so this is the third style. Just do your baby edges. And fold this into 2 like this. So this is another way. Just push it to the front, like really full and stuff. You can move this to the front. Another style you could do is just and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this style suggestion. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to leave comments down below and let me know what kind of videos you want to see on my channel. Until my next video, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the playlist in the description box to watch all my other videos, just so you know. Until my next video, guys, love you guys so much. Make sure to visit Allthingssavvy, Allthings_savvy on Instagram to go purchase this. And yeah, I would definitely mention that it tangles like it's caniculum, so it's gonna tangle, just so you know, but you can easily maintain it by just sprinkling water and conditioner, just like you would with your natural hair. So but aside that, I think it's pretty much just straightforward. And if you want to store it and keep it safe, so you just, when you're done with it, you just use a rubber band or something to hold it like 3 places and then push it into the wig cap, as I would show you guys in a bit. But until my next video, that's all. And if you watched this video to the end and you still haven't subscribed, you need deliverance. But yeah, so let me take pictures. And ooh, I'm so excited about this, so excited. Bye guys.